Welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel with Shane and Nyla.
Hey guys.
We're here to show you a triple black 2014 Land Rover Defender 90 is what they call it. A Land Rover Defender 90. It's got 10,600 kilometers, which comes out to about 6,800 miles on the odometer. I don't know a whole lot about these, so please make sure to read the description below.
Yes.
To gather more information on this Defender.
It's pretty tricked out. I think it's got pretty much every option you can think of.
Yeah, I think it is again, but I don't know enough about it to tell you exactly.
It is supreme clean, super duper clean. Everything in it's working. You got leather suede seats. You see the back bench seats there. Just totally badass. Automatic. And it's got all kinds of gadgets on it, so like we said, pay attention to the description below. And if you want to see all the still shots, I have all the still frames, interior, exterior, the back, the engine, the underside, all of that will be on our website, skywayclassics.com. As for now, we're going to crank the engine, take a look at that, take it for a test drive. Alrighty.
All right, we got the test drive in a 2014, if I try to start it, 2014 Land Rover Defender. The mileage in this is in kilometers, which is about 6,800 miles. Oh, look at this ashtray in the dashboard. What a weird place. You think all your ash will just blow all over you automatically. So you see your ash in it.
The fake.
It's kind of a silly place for an ashtray.
Right.
They must still be smokers overseas because they don't even put ashtrays in these cars.
Oh no, exactly.
This car came from overseas.
Yes, it did. It came from Greece.
Greece.
Got the suede on the ceiling, the suede leather seats. Sitting up nice and high. Super smooth. I mean, it's crazy considering the big tires that it's on.
I expected to ride more Jeepy.
Right.
Actually, it rides more like a nice little sedan.
It does. It drives very smooth, rides very smooth. I love this thing. It's like a little tank.
What's this little yellow thing right here? Anybody know?
I don't know.
See, it's got any power.
Oh, it's hooking. It's keeping the tape.
Copper flying by at 40 miles an hour. Oops. I'll pull over.
We'll see. Just pull into the side thing instead of going all around. But anyways,
we're taking our chances. Let's go.
Super functioning 2014. We're gonna let it go through the years one more time, and hopefully we don't get pulled over by the cop behind us. We got some traffic here, so just give it a second. Maybe not. We're good.
I'm going for it.
All right, we're going for it. All right.
I like to press my luck with the police. What can I say?
All right.
All right.
We're doing good. We're almost up to 60. We're cruising.
It feels really good. This suspension feels tight. The steering feels tight.
Yeah. Cool. Good deal.
All right. That's good enough for me.
Alrighty. And if you stay tuned, there will be some footage of the undercarriage. Come see us, Skyway Classics.